If you are also interested in learning how to not only make, but to also be able to monetize your AI film productions so that you can in fact pay for AI filmmaking and set yourself up to potentially go full-time with AI filmmaking, doing what you love, giving Hollywood heartburn, all from the comfort of your home, then be sure to check out the AI Cinematographer's Midjourney Playbook, where I'm actually going to teach you how to direct AI like a pro. So again, if you think about it, we're taking all of the elements of actual filmmaking to where you can do all of the things that you would do on a film set, things like lighting, casting, cinematography, and directing, without having to actually show up on a film set. And after teaching you how to direct AI like a pro, we're going to actually show you how to monetize what you're doing so that this could potentially become something that you do full time. And the combination of this solves the holy grail of traditional filmmaking, which is how to solve for the broke filmmaker conundrum. If any of you are familiar with traditional independent filmmaking, which is what I come from, not only did you have to solve for how to pay for the equipment that you needed to make your films, pay your cast members so they actually show up for your film on the day of the shoot, put aside some money for locations so that you're not shooting your film out of your mother's basement, and all of the other miscellaneous things like travel and catering, you still had to solve for how to make money with anything you were doing without having to spend a lot of money on money pit film festivals or trying to secure desperate pitch meetings with industry gatekeepers who don't want to talk to you anyway, hoping to have secure distribution for your film, or God forbid, doing something even more desperate like trying to rent your film for $2.99 video on demand, or having people pay you $9.99 video on demand, when most traditional indie filmmakers can't even get 1,000 people to watch their films for free, let alone get 1,000 people to give them any money for their productions. So again, the bonus training in the AI Cinematographer's Midjourney Playbook is going to solve for this, for AI filmmaking, in a very practical step-by-step fashion. If you want to get in on this training for a low introductory price as we continue to build it out, then be sure to scan the QR code on your screen or click the link below this video to learn more.